folks, my name is Mike. I am with ETI Equipment. Today I'm going to show you a 2012 Dodge 5500 bucket truck. It's equipped with an ETI ETC37IH boom. I'm going to show you that boom and all of its features. First thing you want to do is hop up in the vehicle, roll the ignition forward, let it cycle through. Once it cycles through, a little curly Q goes off the dash. Go ahead and start it up. Start by turning your lights on. Set your emergency brake. Emergency brake must be set for PTO to engage. Turn your hazards on. Before engaging your PTO, make sure that you are in neutral and the emergency brake is set. Like I said, master switch, toggle switch up, one light right lights up. After a second or two, second light lights up, PTO is now engaged. Vehicle does not have any outriggers. There's an underbody stabilization underneath it. Before flying, make sure you undo your strap. We have controls. A little sun here, hard to see, but we do have very clear stickers. Upper lower controls. Upper controls acts as an e-stop. Make sure you're in the lower controls to run them. We have boom extension in and out. Upper boom raise and lower. Lower boom raise and lower. Clockwise counterclockwise rotation. Undo your strap. Roll it back, and now you have your controls. Upper left hand corner, we have bucket rotate. Lift up on the donut, slide it both ways. Emergency stop, make sure it's pulled up at all times. Start stop DC pump. Bucket tilt up and down. Hydraulic tools. Lower boom raise and lower. Bottom corner here we have the emergency lowering valve. Then we have pistol grip style handle. Pull the trigger underneath. Then lift up to raise, down to lower, extension, retraction, clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. At this time, I'm going to unstrap it, flap your upper and lower controls. the plunger, wait a couple seconds. Push back down the plunger, hold till it starts. Turn it back to your lower controls. Remember to strap your boom if you're done for the day. That way it doesn't bounce around and cause damage to the boom. Hop back up in the truck and we'll shut it all back down. Turn your hazards off, master switch off, kicks everything down, turn your lights off, release your emergency brake, that way you do not drive with it on, and then shut the truck down. Inside the glove compartment here, we have a truck manual, dielectric tests, behind the seat, ETI manuals, and then the dirt from my shoes, nice clean vehicle. DOT has been done by I-80 equipment, good for 1 year. Driver's side steer tires. Sorry about the sun, folks. Engine compartment. Driver's side all the way across the passenger side. Fresh fluids and filters. Passenger steer tire. Passenger side compartments. Wheel chocks on passenger side, one in each holder. Passenger side drive tires, inner outer. Last box, passenger side. Spray-on style bed liner on the bed, sides of the boxes, tops of the boxes, the high pedestal itself. As you can see as I zoom in real close here, nice texture. Driver's side toolboxes. Driver's side long box or drive tires, inner and outer. Inside the first compartment here, you'll find your man-and-a-half bucket cover, triangles, fire extinguisher. Thank you for purchasing from I-80 Equipment. Enjoy your day.